Welcome to Climb Every Mountain, a special presentation of Spotlight USA featuring my father, Dr. Oscar Poole. This program is produced in the studios of WMCW FM, Astor, Florida, and heard globally on astorcommunityradio.us and FYN TV, fetchyournews.com, Ellijay, Georgia.
Hello, everyone. Oscar Poole right here in the studios of WMCW FM, Astor, Florida, and also welcome to FYN TV, fetchyournews.com in East Ellijay, Georgia. It was one cold night, one dark night. Snow was on the ground. It was cold, shivering, bitter cold. The wind was blowing, and the husband, who was an agnostic, would not go to the candlelight service at the local church. He stayed home, watching out the window in the snow there. Lights were on by the barn. Out there in the countryside, he saw a disturbed flock of doves, disturbed from the cold, and they were freezing and scattering around, running into this and the barn and that. So he went out there with his lantern, and he tried to entice them in. He felt sorry for them. He wanted to help them, and he tried this and he tried that, and to no avail. He became frustrated. He lay down in the snow, and he pushed here and there, and they scattered in fear, out of fear. They would not respond. Then the revelation came to him. He thought, if only I could become one of them, I could speak their language. And then he heard in the distance from the church, Adeste Fidelis, O come, all ye faithful. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come. He went. He found himself there with his family, his wife, and his children, and he sang the songs, and he felt the presence. Yes, he, that is Christ, the God-present man, he became one with us, that we might become one with him. Yes, peace on earth, goodwill toward men. That is the message from the disturbed doves out by the barn. He finally got them in. But the revelation, Adeste Fidelis, God with us. He became one with us, became one, that we might become one with him. Oscar Poole, peace I leave with you this day and always, and so long until next time.
Climb Every Mountain, a program of mountain-moving faith designed to help you overcome the mountains in your life. Tune in again as we present Climb Every Mountain over WMCW FM, Astor, Florida, and FYN TV, fetchyournews.com, Ellijay, Georgia. And don't forget the Mountain Climber's Creed. When faced with a mountain, I will not quit. I will climb over, go around, or tunnel through. And now, from my father and I, have a good day. This is Greg Poole speaking.